Today is day one of my challenge, turning $0 into $10,000 with dropshipping, and I'm doing it completely from scratch. No BS, no fluff, just real steps anyone in the US can copy. If you choose the wrong niche, you lose before you even start. So I picked a niche with 3 rules: real problem, low competition, and trending demand. I searched TikTok, Facebook ads library, and Amazon movers and shakers for products solving one specific pain point. After checking margins, I found 3 winners. The product I chose for day 1 is something cheap, trending, and solves a daily problem. Perfect for impulse buyers. I opened Shopify's free trial and created a simple one-product store. No fancy themes, clean, fast, high converting. Clear title, problem, solution section, benefits, social proof, clean checkout. I priced the product with a 2.5x margin. Cheap enough for impulse buyers, profitable enough for scaling. I downloaded raw product clips from suppliers, removed watermarks, and made a clean TikTok-style ad using CapCut. I posted 3 pieces of content on TikTok and Instagram Reels. No ads yet, just testing which angle gets attention. First 24 hours. And we already got clicks. No sales yet, but this data will guide day 2. This challenge is 100% real. No shortcuts, no fake screenshots, just daily progress. If you want day 2, hit subscribe and comment day 2 now. Let's hit 10K together.